To begin this guided breathing meditation, find somewhere that you can sit comfortably, a sofa, a bed, chair, or the floor, whatever is comfiest for you. Try to sit with a straight back and a relaxed body. Place your hands on your knees or lap and allow your muscles to slowly relax, rolling your shoulders back slightly to open up your heart, and try to balance your weight, as a good posture can strengthen the connection between your mind and body. Where possible, try to be in a quiet room with as few distractions as possible. When you're ready, lovingly close your eyes and begin to become aware of your breath. Focus on the sensation you notice. Is there a coolness at the tip of your nose as you're breathing in? Perhaps a warmth in your chest as you breathe out? Which muscles are engaging? As you become more aware of your breath, you may also become more aware of your body overall. Be aware of the feeling of your body where it makes contact with the surfaces around you. Can you feel where your feet meet the floor? Where your body meets the surface you are sitting on? Perhaps you can feel the sensation of your clothing against your skin, or the tingle of the air. As you feel these sensations, slowly allow them to pass you by with acceptance and without judgment. As you begin to feel more present in this moment with your body and your breath, begin to become more intentional with your style of breathing. With your next inhale at a speed that feels comfortable for you, let your tummy expand and try to keep your chest still. Breathing in through your nose, holding for a moment, and when you're ready, breathe out through your mouth. Your tummy contracting and your chest remaining relatively calm and still. As you repeat your breath, push out your stomach, trying to breathe into the bottom of your lungs, and try to keep your chest relatively still. As you exhale, your stomach contracts. Again, breathe deeply, stomach expanding. Hold your breath for a moment and exhale, stomach contracting, chest remaining relatively still. In through your nose, out through your mouth. Continue at a pace that makes you feel comfortable. Slowly increase the length of time that you hold your breath at a pace that feels good for you. Try to make your exhale longer than your inhale. In through the nose, out through the mouth. If you feel your mind wandering, catch it and simply return your focus to the sensations of your breathing in this moment, mindful of these sensations, here and now, allowing distractions to pass you by without judgment. Continue to focus on your breathing, feeling your belly expand and contract. Each exhale twice as long as each inhale, at a pace that is comfortable for you. If it's helpful for you, count as you breathe. Perhaps counting in 2, 3, 4, out 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, in 2, 3, 4, out 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Adjust this time so that it's comfortable for you and your body. You may simply choose to focus on how your breathing feels. We are all unique, so choose to breathe in a way that feels best for you. Remember, if you find your mind drift to other thoughts, instead of forcing it away and passing judgment, simply focus your thinking back to this moment, to the sensation of your breathing, and allow any thoughts to pass you by. Imagine your breath filling your body on each inhale and flowing out into the energy around you as you exhale, in and out, in and out. Trying to keep your chest relatively still. On your next inhale, feel your whole belly and chest expanding. Hold it all in, and whenever you're ready, let it all out with an audible sigh. Feeling your chest and belly contract. Feel the sense of energy expanding within and flowing back out into the world as you exhale. Slowly beginning to return to a comfortable pace of breathing for you. In through the nose, out through the mouth. Chest rising and falling as you breathe. You may begin to feel a sense of thankfulness for yourself, for allowing yourself this peaceful moment of mindful calm. Take this feeling of peace with you as you begin to focus back on the physical sensations around you. Rolling your shoulders, stretching your muscles slowly, moving your fingers and toes. You begin to feel your body awakening. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes. Thank you for joining me today for this guided meditation. I have truly enjoyed meditating with you today. I hope you can bring this calm presence into the rest of your day, and I look forward to joining you again on this meditation journey. Take care, friends.